I've never done a curbside.
I went for one thing and I grabbed like 5.
And my twin. I'm just kidding.
I'm running way later than I thought I would. I made my money today.
I haven't done a makeup client at my house ever. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla for those of you that are new here. So we are starting in the car. I wanted to vlog my day for tomorrow because I have school and I have 3 makeup clients, and I know that a lot of you guys like to see me doing my makeup clients and cosmetology school, so I might as well vlog tomorrow and just bring you guys along the day with me. I just got some Chipotle and I was like eating in the car as I'm waiting for my curbside for Ulta. I've never done a curbside like shopping thing with them, and I was like, oh, might as well. I was like in Chipotle and I did the order. I thought I would like get here a little bit later and then I would just get here and pick up the thing, but I went faster than I thought. Okay, no, I turned off my car so it wouldn't be too loud, but it's just way too hot for this. I'm literally wearing a jacket as I'm saying that. But yeah, tomorrow I have 3 clients and I'm super excited. I did need to pick up a few things like lashes, and also I wanted to try out the MAC face and body foundation, but I didn't want my order to be too expensive, and the colors that I wanted they didn't have in stock or something, I don't even know. So I ended up just taking that out of my cart and I'm just gonna get it later. Oh my gosh, this is my first vlog I think with my new hair. It's so exciting. It's obviously like it's drying right now. This is my natural hair. It's not the prettiest, and I usually never keep it natural. I might get home and like fix it up. Super excited for tomorrow. Kind of nervous. I have to fix up my room. I really want, because they're coming to me. I haven't done a makeup client at my house ever, at this new house, and I've lived there for over a year now. So everything happened last year, so I didn't even have that many clients, but when I did, I would go to them. Just like I didn't have like my room set up for that, but now I have my chair and I have everything, and I was just like, I might as well. Whenever I get home I need to set up the chair, and I want to move around my desk area for the makeup. I just want to move around my room just to like make it better for the client and overall just make it better. I'm gonna wait for my order. I'll let you guys know any updates.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. I just forgot to come back on here. I did end up going back to Ulta like I think like an hour or 2 later, and I picked up my things. It took so long to like do it, so I just ended up coming home and finishing up some things that I had to do. Picked up my sister, and then I picked up the products. But today's the day. I am doing 3 clients and I'm already in school. I've been in school for like an hour now. Well, they accepted me like 15 minutes ago, but I've been on school like online since 9. But I ended up taking out that little cubby thing that I had there. It was just things for my house whenever I do get married and leave. But yeah, so that is what I've been doing. Me and my mom took that out and put it into the office, and it fits way better and it looks nicer, so we're just gonna keep it there. And then I'm going to right now take my makeup chair and just set it up, and I'll set you guys down so you guys can see that. And I'm just gonna keep on changing out my room and cleaning it up. My clients come at, I think the first one is at 2:30, so I have a lot of time, but time flies, so I need to look presentable as well, and I also have to do an assignment at school.
When I first met you then, thought you were nothing. You were just sitting on the couch without a jacket. We didn't say a word, who would have thought that this would happen? The more we got to spend, my feelings growing. I didn't think I'd be attracted to your type, boy. The summer when we kissed, beginning of our secret love. Baby, you got me going all around you. I can't resist.
Okay, so I wanted to just show you guys what I got from Ulta. Okay, the lighting's really bad, but I just got a few things that I needed to restock. So I got some lashes. I've never tried these Ardell naked lashes. It is like super pretty and it has like volume. Here, let me take it out of this. It's like a lot of volume. I don't know, I really like them. I just saw it online and I decided to get it. And then I also got the Ardell Wispy, is it? Yeah, I got the Ardell Wispy lashes. I usually get the Demi Wispy and the Kiss lashes in like number 11. Those are really nice, and a lot of the people that I do their makeup, they choose that one. But today, or I have some already, like Kiss lashes, so I decided to just grab some new ones, see if they would prefer that one or just a little bit more simple. Like this one kind of gives that cat eye effect. This one is just volume all around. So I got both of those. It was buy one get one half off, so that's why I got two. And then I also got this Morphe setting spray that I always use. It's just like super, I love the spray of it. It's like not too like heavy. And then I also grabbed, I think this was there, I grabbed this NYX lip pencil in the shade Natural. I don't have like this shade, I don't think, in like a lip pencil, so that's why I grabbed that. And then I also got I have two of these Morphe micro brow pencil, but I don't have a shade that's good for like blondes, so that's why I grabbed this one. It's the macadamia color, and it literally looks like the other ones that I have. And then I went to CVS because I needed to grab some more rubbing alcohol to like sanitize everything whenever I'm done with the clients, to like move on to the next. So then I grabbed that. And I also got some cotton rounds that I am running low on, and I think I got the last one at like the dollar store, and they were really bad. Whenever they would like go on the face, it would just like leave little fuzzies, so I just got better quality ones at CVS. And then I went to look at some lip shades. I got this Maybelline Super Stay liquid lip. I realized I literally have the same shade but in a Morphe like brand. I'll show you guys the dupe maybe later, but this one is the shade 55, and I'm pretty sure the other one is like shade True Story or something. Hello? Okay, Julio called me, but I went for one thing and I grabbed like 5, but I passed by Wet n Wild and I saw they have like new little thingies. Like this is a bronzer, and I don't have like a deep bronzer that's like this, that doesn't have that much like shimmer. And then the last thing that I grabbed, this blush, and it's the Wet n Wild one as well. I think it's like coming out more pink on camera, but just like a slight peach color.
I wanna know your name. Baby, you're bubbly and radiant. You got some flavor and I'm trying to savor it. Palm gripped on the fruit, sipping on that juice, like skateboard P and Diddy. Finna get loose. Ooh. Pardon me if I flake on occasion. They like twin, I'm more like Michael Cera. Never was the type to feel like singing. Never was the type to go and take it. Gentleman, the way my mama.
Okay guys, so I just changed. Oh, it's like wet the floor. We're going to go eat some food, and I'm just grabbing some shoes. Hey! So we're going to get lunch with my mommy because it's a girls' night day. Aww, thumbs It legit looks like a monkey. That's my dad's face. Me and my twin. I'm just kidding. Okay, so we got Chick-fil-A. I already ate my Chick-fil-A and everything. I'm going to do my hair really quickly. I just put my straightener to heat up. I'm gonna do some like waves or something just to, I don't know, this hair is just too much right now. Yeah, I'm gonna do my hair really quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did my hair. Put on some makeup, not that much. I did a little bit of BB cream and some powder, but that is all. And then my eyes, I just put some mascara on. I need to like clean up. But I logged into school. I still haven't been accepted in, so I'm just waiting. So I have 30 minutes until my first client gets here. So I'm just like making sure everything is good and in its place. So I'm not like rushing and I don't know, trying to find things. I have everything set. I'm just going to clean my beauty blenders. I have a few. So I'm just gonna clean 5 just in case if one falls.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain.
Okay, so I washed all my beauty blenders or whatever, and I wanted to see if I can set you guys down here. There's like a little thingy that my camera can go on. Yay. So when the clients come, I'll set you guys down here so you guys can come along and see the makeup being done.
It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't know.
Okay, my client just left. You guys only got to see a little bit because this only records up to like 10 minutes-ish, not even. So right now I'm just cleaning off my brushes and making sure everything is sanitized. I just sprayed some cleaning spray on the chair just to like sanitize it, clean it for the next client. And she's gonna be here soon. I'm running way later than I thought I would, which is annoying, but almost done. Hey guys, so it is like 3 hours later. I just finished cleaning up a bit. I still have to put some makeup away that I put on the top, but I'm so tired. My feet are hurting. My teacher never accepted me back into class, so I mean I finished at 6 anyway, so it was fine, but still I don't even know if she got me down for my hours, so I don't know. I know it was kind of busy at school, so that's why. I'm done. I made my money today. I'm so tired. Like, I literally stood on my feet for 4 hours, so my feet are hurting. I didn't put any shoes on, which is so dumb of me. Like, I needed to put on some, like, shoes that have, like, cushion on the bottom, but I literally was barefoot the whole time because I'm in my house, so, I mean, didn't matter. That was, like, the biggest mistake. My feet hurt so much. But I'm just gonna clean up really quickly and then I think I'm gonna go see Julio. I'll keep you guys updated with everything. I only got a time lapse of 1 client because my camera turned off and then I didn't want to go back and turn it on and all of that, so I just left it. But yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.